In today's episode, we'll be talking about the princess nail style ballerina shape. We'll show you the most common mistakes made while extending nails for this shape and how to do this manicure correctly.
Hi, I'm Connie, and this is a channel dedicated to the art of nail styling. Today, we'll be talking about ballerina nails. More precisely, we'll be talking about the mistakes that we make. How many mistakes can you make when doing ballerina nails? Well, you'll see for yourselves in just a moment. Let's get started.
We'll start by dehydrating the natural plate with purple cleaner. Apply acid-free primer and use Perfect Base as a base coat. To create the gel layer with colourful particles, we'll use Easy Shape Milky Pink and Effects, Pixel Effect Kopciuszek, Classic Mermaid Effect, Glass Me Rainbow and Glamour Silver. We'll use Tip Top to get a shiny finish, and we'll apply the gel with a brush in size 4. And we'll use the Master Nail Art 007 brush to even out the light line. We'll use the mixing tool to mix the gel with effects. We'll shape it with a 100 to 180 file. We'll smooth out the surface with a 180 to 220 buffer. We'll push back the cuticles with a cuticle pusher before applying the top coat. We'll use the soft cupcake brush to clean the excessive nail dust.
We've already prepared our model's nails off camera. We've removed the cuticles with an e-file and scissors, and we also removed the old gel.
We dehydrate the prepared nail plate with purple cleaner. We apply acid-free primer, using it like a regular nail polish. We rub in a small amount of Perfect Base using gel brush number 4 into the nail plate and cure it in the multi-LED lamp for 60 seconds. Mistake number 1. The form is not appropriately closed. The correct technique will extend until number 4. That's why we fully close it 1 point further than the target length, up until number 5. Mistake number 2. Wrong angle of the form. The form is placed at a wrong angle, either too far upwards or too far downwards. The wings may be misplaced and left not fully closed as well. Correct technique: we place the form gently downwards and close the wings evenly.
Princess nails are nails that would not be looked down on by any princess. They sparkle with millions of glimmering particles. They're always done in pink, transparent and natural shades, and they're packed with many particles. If you don't have such a glimmering gel with particles yet, although Indigo is working hard on creating one for you very soon, you need to mix these particles in on your own. We take the nail effects and the gel and we mix it to get the end product.
We place Milky Pink on our glass palette. And using the mixing tool, we pick up some Pixel Effect Kopciuszek, Classic Mermaid Effect, Glass Me Rainbow and Glamour Silver. We mix it all on the palette until we get a smooth blend. We create the frame with our glitter mix. We will extend the nails to number 4 on the form.
Ballerina is a shape reserved for extended long nails. If we wanted to make it short, we'd get a tapered square. On the other hand, if we wanted to do ballerina nails on a natural nail plate, well, we'd probably fail because the nails usually grow downwards and it would not look very neat.
Mistake number 3. Incorrectly spread gel. Similarly to the base for an almond-shaped nail, the tip is rounded and the edge doesn't reach the edge of the natural plate. The correct technique: the edges need to converge with the place where the natural plate grows, straight. When spreading the gel, we need to immediately make the ballerina shape. We cure it in the multi-LED lamp for 90 seconds.
Remember that if you want to mix your favorite gel with particles and effects, the polymerization time will immediately be longer. The particles reflect light and cover the deeper layers of the gel. We want to avoid any surprises, so the gel needs to have more time to thicken. Then we don't have to worry about any unlikely situations happening while filing.
We gently remove the form, applying pressure at the sides with our fingers and pulling it down. Then we apply a small amount of our mix on the frame, creating a slip layer. Mistake number 4. Incorrect nail building. Chaotic application of gel, pressing the brush too much and creating hollow spaces in the gel. The correct technique: we apply one large ball of product in the center of the natural nail plate and spread it gently with circular motions up until the cuticles and towards the free edge. If in the meantime we run out of product, we add another ball. Mistake number 5. The wrong structure. Lack of apex and too much product on the free edge. The correct technique: We even out the surface, holding the brush at a vertical angle to the nail and creating the apex. We move the gel almost as if we weren't touching it, gently left and right down until the free edge. We cure it in the multi-LED lamp for 90 seconds and wipe it with wipe-off cleaner. Mistake number 6. Wrong shape. Filing at a wrong angle. How to correct the technique? We keep the file perpendicular to the surface. We file at a gentle angle against the finger, continuing the ballerina shape. Mistake number 7. Filing too much at the apex. Correct technique? We file the product at the cuticles and go on to the apex. We file at a gentle angle downwards up until the free edge. The apex should be located between half and 1/3 of the natural nail. Mistake number 8. Too much filing at the stress point and at the edges, which may lead to a broken nail. What's the correct technique? We file with long and delicate movements straight. Don't rock or press on the nail. Mistake number 9. Bending the file, which leads to wrong pressure on the nail while filing the free edge. Our correct technique? We keep the finger on the file precisely in place where we're going to file. We keep the file perpendicular to the nail from the apex to the free edge. We file from one side to the other without detaching the file until the surface is smooth and even. Mistake number 10. Keeping the file at a slanted angle when filing the edges. The correct technique? We keep the file straight against the edges of the natural plate, remembering to file the tip slightly upwards. In order to reach slightly deeper with the file, we use a metal or a slim file to file the edges precisely. We even out the nail with a 180 to 220 buffer to smooth out the surface. We clean off the excess nail dust with a soft brush. We wipe the nails with wipe-off cleaner to remove the residue dust and possible impurities. Before applying shine to the nail, we push the cuticles back with our cuticle pusher. Then we apply tip-top on the whole surface of the extended nail. We use the 007 brush to even out the light line. We cure it in the multi-LED lamp for 60 seconds. And that's what the Princess Nails style ballerina shape looks like.
And that brings us to the end of our episode. Let us know in the comments which particles and effects are your favourite and what your favourite, most stunning princess gel by Indigo would look like. Thanks for staying with us till the end. We'll see you in the next episode. Bye.